Hi, I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor, and this is another video in my series of how do I use this thing. So maybe you've seen this machine at the gym. It's called the Lat Pulldown Machine, and I'm going to show you 5 different exercises, kind of the same exercises, but different variations of the exercise that you can do with this. So the first one is a seated wide grip lat pull down. So I'm just going to grab this big bar and I'm going to grab pretty wide on it here. I've already got my weight plates on there, and what you're going to do is you're going to just do a slight little lean back with your back, and then you're going to pull it right to your chest and back up. So I'll do a few of these so you can see. So this is your wide grip. Then also you could do a regular grip. So you're just going to bring it in more about shoulder width. We're going to do the same type of thing with that slight little lean back here, and then you're just pulling it down. Also, you could do a reverse grip, a close grip reverse. So I like to grab in pretty close here. We can see my hands here, and this will work your biceps and your back. And same thing though, same position, and just pulling it down towards my chest. So we've got those, and then we can also do all of those standing as well. And we've got one more. I'm just gonna lighten my weight plates, and I'm gonna show you this one last exercise that will be standing, which is great for triceps. So let me, standing, straight arm, lat pull down, really working your triceps. So that's why you've got to lighten the weight here. So I like to kind of have one foot in front of the other, or you can kind of have a shoulder width, your feet apart stance. So this one, you're going to come down with a straight arm. See that? All the way down, and then only shoulder height back up. And this one you will love for your triceps. Keep that core tight. And that's just a few exercises you can do with the lat pull down machine. There's also other attachments we can use, which I'll show you next time. Have a great day.